Hi, this is Rob Knight from GoMo News. I'm here with Tom Farrell and Ray Haddow. Say hi, gentlemen.
Hi, gentlemen. Hello.
Can you tell us what you do, Tom?
Sure, I work in the go-to-market organisation within Nokia, which is a fancy word for saying I'm involved in taking our software and solutions that we build and bringing them to market. So I work on one hand with the service lines and the product lines who build stuff,
right?
Simply put, and I work on the other side with the sales organisation that sells what we build. So I'm kind of in between pulling the right parts of the portfolio together for the right sales, the right channel, the right segment, and the right market.
Right.
And mobile email is my number one priority, so that's why I'm here today, because this beauty E71 is exactly what I want and what I need to get our Nokia email and getting Nokia devices being used for email all around the world.
So what was your role when the E71 was on the drawing board? What did you say you felt that you needed in it to make it that killer device?
Simplicity and affordability, 2 words.
Right.
I think in it's high-tech strategy 101, as we all know. I mean, in early markets, the way to drive mass adoption, get the uptake, is make it simple, make it affordable, and they will come. I think in the past, we've not done such a great job with simplicity and affordability as an industry, the mobile industry. And I'll give you one example, data point. I mean, there are about 1.5 billion inboxes.
Yes.
In the fixed domain, let's say.
Yes.
The web, the portals. And there are probably maximum 20-30 million people today using mobile email on a device. So 1.5 billion versus 30 million. Now, that's why Nokia is in this market. Because we believe with our scale, with our portfolio, and with our resources, we want to go from tens of millions to hundreds of millions. And the flagship product, of course, is this beautiful E71. But it's all about making mobile email as ubiquitous as SMS on devices is basically our game. And my number one priority is this mobile email kind of software and service angle for the company.
So was it a really important strategy to get the 1,000, on your server, your own server, to set it up easily? So 1,000. How did you pick those 1,000 different companies? Was it by number of users or?
Right. No, we basically looked at all of them. I mean, if you look at remember, it's all based on standard IMAP POP.
Yeah.
So it's not that difficult to do technically. It's just getting the activation service up and running in the back end that this device talks to, and we just keep uploading the settings all the time. And remember, every time a user adds something new, it's self-learning, so we just keep updating and learning. It's kind of self-learning. So
okay, so
in the spirit of co-creation of the web, we do it together with the consumer.
Right. Okay. And you've integrated Gmail, Hotmail, which aren't really business type devices, emails for major companies.
Right.
But for the end user who, like you say, might be getting his Gmail on here as well, rather than just these corporate emails as well.
Exactly. And I think so. The essence of this E71, and why we get asked a lot, why are we different to the competition? It's a quirky, and there was a question earlier, and I think the key is at Nokia it's about human technology and it's understanding the individual, the human. I'm now a mathematical equation of productivity in my company. We don't go to work for that. That's an end result. People want to have control of their life. They want to control how they manage their day. I wake up in the morning, I'm a father, I'm a husband, now I'm a professional, I'm talking with you, a professional. Might meet our mates later on for a pint as a friend. I mean, it's getting this balance because we are individuals. We're not stuck in a box as a certain persona.
It's just all work. It is.
Exactly. So the point is, if you think of this home screen, this is my work screen, and now I'm going to switch over to my personal mode. We have these two home screens in our E71 and E66, and that's the key. I don't know about you, right, but I hate waking up Saturday morning and seeing Monday morning meetings on my home screen. That is not good for my weekend. So, this weekend, for example, I set it to this mode so that I see my personal Yahoo email is here, not my work email. If I've got my mates or some weekend activity, it pops up here. And this is the essence. This really is the essence of the Nokia. It's designed for the way we work, but also for the lives we lead. It's getting this harmony between design, work, and you as a person. This harmony is the point. That's the age of Nokia. It's human technology, and that's why we're passionate. And we believe this is the start. This is the evolution of something great for the future devices of Nokia.
And do you think this kind of technology will filter down to the more consumer handsets, the N series? Although they're completely different series, but some of the very cool technologies in here. Is very consumer, very consumer friendly.
Spot on.
And when you got, with the active screen, for example, when you put your name, you just start typing. You don't have to go into an address book. That's very cool.
Absolutely, spot on. And as you know, as a company, it's a platformizing way of doing things. And as you know, the Nokia and Nokia's known well, we are a platform-driven company. So I guarantee you, things that work well in one part of the portfolio,
you can pull them
suck back into the platform over time, and they appear everywhere in the 100 products.
Yeah.
So that will happen. I mean, for example, I absolutely love the following feature. If I'm in a meeting and this phone rings, okay, I simply turn it over and it goes silent. Because there's an accelerometer in here. Now, I want that on this device over time as well.
Yes.
So the key is, get the segmentation right, get the right category for the segment, learn what works, take the best, and bring it in elsewhere.